Hi guys, I'm Shreya. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to do my most favorite nude lipsticks. Yes, because everywhere I go and on my Instagram, I get so many DMs that what lipstick am I wearing, so I thought of making this video. Yes, I'm doing nude because nude is my thing. I love nude colors. And in my videos and on my Instagram pictures, or people who know me in real life might know that I carry only nude colors. I don't like very bright colors like reds and corals and all. And nude is my thing. And for everyday basis also, you can carry nude lipsticks. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 lipsticks which are all from drugstore brands, and so they are really very affordable. All lipsticks are like under 300. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly, talking about the lipstick that I'm wearing is this
Lip lipstick by Swiss Beauty in the shade S20 Spicy Nude.
This lipstick has a really good wand, as you can see. So now I'm going to apply. So it's been like 4 to 5 minutes now, so let's see if it transfers or not. And it doesn't. Just a bit, I can see, nothing else. So I really like this lipstick, its formulation and everything. So as I have started with the liquid lipstick, the second lipstick that I am going to show you is again a liquid lipstick.
This is the Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Lipstick.
Now first let's do a swatch of it. Just see the color payoff. Now we will apply this. This lipstick has an amazing color payoff, like it makes all your creamy lipsticks or anything super matte. So I also use this as a top coat on all my creamy lipsticks which I want a matte finish of. So now let's check if it transfers or not. And this doesn't transfer at all. That's what I love about it. Like this stays mostly for 5 to 6 hours straight. So I really like this lipstick. Moving on to the third and the fourth lipstick, I have these two from the Maybelline Creamy Match range. One is the Nude Nuance, the other one is the Touch of Spice. These are the most seen lipsticks on all of my makeup videos, and these belongs to the Creamy Match range of Maybelline, and they are the bullet lipsticks. The formulation and everything of the lipstick is very nice. This is the swatch. I really like the color payoff, the pigmentation and everything about these lipsticks. This lipstick is my go-to-go everyday lipstick. If you have seen the everyday makeup routine video on my Instagram, then you would have definitely seen that I recommended these lipsticks only. So now let's see. Just in one single coat, this gives such a good color payoff, and that's what I love about it. Plus it has this brownish nude color which looks very pretty on my skin tone. This lipstick would definitely suit light to medium skin tone, so definitely check these out. The fourth lipstick, that is the Touch of Spice, has the same formulation as the Nude Nuance. The Nude Nuance was a brown nude. This is a pink nude. This has the same packaging as it's from the same range. It's a pink nude, as you can see. Let me swatch it for you. See, such a beautiful pink nude it is. So now I'm going to apply this. Just see the color payoff. I really like brown, pink, these basic nudes. They look so good. Like I am sold for these. I will attach screenshots of all these lipsticks somewhere here so you can get the idea of the formulation, the pricing and everything. So on to the last range, that is 5th and 6th lipsticks. These two lipsticks are from the Nykaa So Creme range, which was launched like 8 to 9 months back. So I have these two lipsticks from the Nykaa So Creme range. Firstly, talking about the brown nude, this is Wake Up Makeup. This is again a proper bullet lipstick from Nykaa. This has such a good shade, like oh my god. This is kindly a little bit similar to Nude Nuance, but Nude Nuance was on the darker side, like it was a darker brown nude. This is like a very basic light brown nude. I got these recently from the Nykaa Pink Dot sale. I will do a proper haul video for you guys so that you can see what all I got. And so now let me swatch this for you. There is a lot of difference between the two. So now I am going to apply this. Wow, the lipstick has such a good creamy texture. It just glides on my lips. I really like the formulation, the packaging and everything. This gets a 5 on 5. Last lipstick that I am having is the Walk the Walk from the Nykaa So Creme range. This is again the bullet lipstick. The formulation and everything is the same. This has really nice texture. I'm going to show you the swatch of it. This is, you know, a mauvey nude, you can say, and I really like this. Now I'm going to wear this. Oh my god. Guys, this was all for the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. So these were all the swatches of my 6 favorite nude lipsticks. You will get all the links in the description box along with the prices. So yeah, keep watching my videos. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.